Yeah, now let's go to the type palette. So today we are going to learn the type thing. So with type tools we discussed, right? So first, normal type tool I just clicked. Okay,
You recording? No.
I am. Okay, so app tag we wrote. Now I like this. So right click font, you can change the font. Whichever font you want, you can change to the font. Okay. Now again you go recent fonts. Recent fonts means the fonts which are used in this document. Okay. If I use 3 fonts, all the 3 fonts will come. Size will define the size of the text. Understood? Now we have a glimpse palette. Glimpse palette. The use of glimpse palette is like if we don't know the keyboard keys for a particular language, we can use the glimpse. Like if I'm choosing a different language, for example, Lava UI. What's that? What's also normal? That's fonts. All the letters will come here. Okay. So say if it is your language. Your language is what? What's your language?
Tagalog.
Huh?
Filipino. Tagalog.
Yeah, Filipino. If that particular font is there and you don't know the keyboard keys, like this we can't type, right? Even I can't type my local language. Okay. So and the data entry operator is not there for like a logo or for a caption. You can use this. See, you can double click on the letters. You can read from here and double click so that it will come there. Understood? This is the use of glimpse. Okay, all the fonts, everything will come. Now we have area type options. You know your area type tool. I suppose you know your area type tool. Area type tool, you know, right? What's the use of your area type tool? Area type tool will help you to type inside an area, right? Go inside, you can type inside this thing. Too big, too big, too small. Okay, so we type. Now what we can do is area type options. In area type options we have, say, I added 2 rows, so 2 rows will be added here. Okay, 2 columns also I will add, so 2 columns like this. If it is a newspaper news, I can differentiate it. This is the use of area type tool. Understood? Okay, now after that there comes type on a path options.
See, maybe I'll make it open.
Hmm. I want this to be here, down. I want this to be the opposite way, here, like this. So what we'll do, we'll select it, type on a path, Don't use any of this, just go to type on a path option. Okay, that all that things will come here only. You change to skew, it will change, see, and rainbow came like this. Okay, now I want to flip it. What I'll do is flip. Okay, now apply the different ones. Skew, 3D, see, it's coming like this. Stairs, gravity. Okay, I change rainbow, baseline I change, descender it will be like this, ascender it will be like this. Okay, now I can give okay. Okay, these are the steps of that thing. Okay, yeah, okay, what we are going to do is we are going to go through the threaded text option. Threaded text is so simple. Take the type tool. You must create a paragraph text. There are two types of text which we discuss in this software. They may be called as paragraph text and like normal text. Normal text is like, you know, standard text, like, you know, you just click and you type. That's a normal text. But when you are taking a paragraph text like this, whenever you want to create a paragraph text, you have to go and draw or drag like this. Okay, whatever you type will come only inside this paragraph. You understood? It will only come inside this paragraph. Okay, when I'm typing this thing, say this is my magazine and I'm having the news like this. Okay, okay, it came like this. We did it like this. Okay, again one more text box. The text is only till here, but I want the rest of the text to continue from here. You understood? You understood? From here. Okay, I don't want the text to go out because this isn't the size of my page, right? So what I'll do is I'll select this as well as this. Now go type threaded text create. Automatically the rest of the text will come here. Okay,
So select
threaded text create.
threaded.
Right. Understood? So that is threaded text. Now in type, after threaded text we have to go to fit headlines. Same example we will take. We have a paragraph like this and suppose this is our heading. Okay, I'll select this and I'll heading is bigger in size, right? So I'll increase the heading size. This is the size. But one more thing we have to keep in mind, that is the heading must be always coming. Heading must be always coming Always coming?
No, once only.
Heading must be always coming in full paragraph, okay?
Ah.
It must cover the full paragraph. So what we'll do is we'll select the heading. Fit header line. Understood? Create outline. Create outline is another nice option. Like I want to make this a gradient. Okay, give a gradient to the text. So normally if I go and try to give a gradient, it won't work. It's not working, right? Now type, create outlines, apply the same gradient. Aha, it's working. Okay, so create outlines converts your text into an outline or a shape object, so that you can apply gradient, or you can change the shape whenever you want. You want to change the shape a little bit, you can go here, see, so you can do whatever you like. Okay, understood? That is create outlines. Now after that, find font. Okay, say when we are preparing notes or something like that, we don't know, we may be taking this what data from different documents, different websites, so we don't know whichever fonts are coming in our this thing. So suppose I took this from different documents. Okay, so what happens, this will be a different font. Maybe this will be, say, this font. Okay, and this much only, maybe on another font. This is too much. Okay, this part, another font. The same I got? Wow, I'm nice. So like this it can happen, right? Lucifer is an angel, right? Huh? Fallen angel, right?
Yeah.
Angel who became bad, right? He became bad. He was good, right?
Before.
After that he changed.
Yeah.
That's not a big deal. Okay. Everybody changes. Okay. So now, if we go type, find font, and see, we have this much fonts. Okay, fonts in the document, and this is also fonts in the document. I want to replace this fonts with some font in the computer, right? So I have to change the document to the system, and when we are waiting, the system fonts will load. So the system fonts are all these things. Okay, I want a common font for all of them. So what I'm going to do is, I already decided that I'm going to print this document in Impact or Hobo Standard. Okay, so I'll select this and double click this, so it will change to Hobo Standard. Now again, now this font, it will also change to Hobo Standard. Now only some part is there, that thing also I double click, so my everything is now converted into function. Okay, see how nice it is. Control A and change the size to 1 pixel. Still something is there, it's showing. Anyway, this is it. You understood? Now in type we have change case. Change case, you know, right? Upper to lower, all that things. Okay, and smart punctuation or punctuation marks. Some fonts, in some particular fonts, maybe like the punctuation marks won't be proper. Okay, to make them proper, we use these things. Okay, so these are the options, main options you have to go through. This we'll discuss. Okay, later. So these options you go through, and I hope you went through all these effects. Now go through the view palette also. View palette is so simple, and edit also. Okay, and any doubts just ask me so that I can clarify. Edit and view and the type. Okay, today finish. Tomorrow I'll start with object and view, and I will finalize the software. Monday we have Monday. So we will do the object palette and we will finish the software. And the next class you will be having your assignment, and the other class you will be having your test. So the other class you can apply for the certificate. Good job. Thanks for the class. You were a wonderful student.
I should have this.
No, tell. No problem.